So today we're looking at the Air Up bottles. Now this is just the pink one, but they come in loads of different colours. And I've been on board with them from the beginning. And they are these bottles with a straw in it. And they have a very, very special lid. So what they have on the top, you do get a cap as well. Mine's just being washed. You get one of these little discs. Actually, you get quite a lot of discs. You can pick them from the team. And what these have a scent in there. And it sounds strange, but when you drink, the scent goes up your nose and it tells your brain that you can taste it. So it's really clever. You've got this really nice soft nozzle there, and it's a quite unusual little bevel there, which is where the scent disc sits. But they do so many. They do like cola flavour, lemonade. They do elderflower, orange, all the different fruits, and they keep them changing as well. And you can just fill it up, put your ice in there and drink your drink. And when you want to drink it up, you pull it up slightly so there's a slight gap, a little space there, and then you drink your drink, and your brain thinks that you're having a flavoured water, but you're only drinking regular water. So it's quite good if you're on the go, and so you're going on holiday, something like that, and you normally like cordial and flavoured drinks. This is a really good option for you because you haven't got to think. You can just fill it up with water every single time on ice, and you're good to go. It's really, really fab, really pretty little design. I like the bottle as well. It's really ergonomic. Yeah, it's a fab little thing, and I really do recommend it. It's really, really nice.